Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back with another unboxing, and this time it is the Travis Scott Cactus Jack AF1 with the flappy bit. So I'm going to pull for freshness, if I can remember which way round it is. We're a bit late with this unboxing. Ooh, fancy box. Because I ordered these, I went in for the draw, not expecting to get these at all. Kind of for a laugh, really. And I got them, and then I went to Mr. B's work, and he was in America. So they've been sat there for well over a week in the post room. So let's have a look at this fancy box. Look at that. Look at that. That is nice. That is very nice. Oh, and look at this detail. Just gonna bring this round. Look at. Okay, I think the dog just tried to get on the table. But yeah, look at this. This is well nice. Look at that. Look at that camera too. Okay, right. I'm quite excited for these. You know, as I said, I wasn't expecting to win these at all. I like them, but I'm not sure I love them. So let's get into it. Now, again, it has some special paper. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's get that in there. Get that in there. These are, oh, wow. I like them. I like them a lot. It looks like somebody's worn this one. Why does this always happen with me? Right, I'm going to come in. I'm going to come into camera 2 here because I think you'll probably pick this up the best. Can you see that toe box? Focus. No, looks like it's been worn. See, that's well crease. Mr. B on sneaker can. Bringing this into you. Can you see that?
You know what I think it is?
What do you think it is?
I think it's a combination of the quality of the leather, and I think it just looks weird with the stitching.
Yeah, that was my first thought when I saw it.
Yeah.
Before I started saying anything. But this one, no, I'm just bringing this up here. Absolutely perfect.
Can I have a look at it?
There you go. Perfect. Into sneaker can. Absolutely perfect. That's like proper weird. But anyway. Right, I'm going to go into all the detail because these are super nice. They're nicer than I was expecting them to be. So they have this, I'm calling it the flappy bit. I know it probably isn't its technical term, but that is what I'm calling it, and I'm bringing that in. See, it's a bit, as somebody said to me, it's a bit fashion. I probably won't be wearing these with the flap on because I don't think I'd be able to take myself seriously. Have a look at all the other details. So you've got a gum sole. Mr. B, we all love a gum sole on Pint of Stuff. Then you've got this sort of, it always sounds weird saying this now, off-white midsole here. Then you've got green stitching, which is really nice. I hadn't noticed that on any of the pictures. It's like a jade green stitching, which just looks really nice. And you've got all sorts going on. You've got the leather toe box, which I've already had a whinge about. You've got suede finish here on the front. Then it goes into different coloured cords, 2 different coloured toned cords. Then you've got camo on the swoosh. Then you've got this sort of jade green print that's on the box, I think. The name of his album here in this sort of teal blue-ish, sort of turquoisey blue. Again, you've got all this detail in the yellow around the back. Again, the name of the record, and it's purple. Plain brown swoosh in what always reminds me of the Carhartt AF1s, which I've said. Then you've got this flap and press stud bit around here, which again reminds me of the Carhartt AF1s, and it's got MC on the back. You've got Nike Air in wool. There's just so much going on with these. Like, I knew there was a lot, and I'm just going to check this one. Both sneakers are the same. There isn't anything obviously different on them. Now I'm just going to unzip this. Now underneath you've got this really nice sort of deep purple, sort of pinky purple. I guess it's more mink colour. I guess that's what you call it, laces, which I actually really like that colour. And underneath the flap, which can come off pretty easy. So the laces are tied through the flap, so I can undo the flap really, really easily. Underneath here, you've got the tongue, which has like this wool, I think, and it has check on it. Can you see that, Mr. B? On sneaker cam, getting all the details there. And I'm just going to bring this, so I'm going to bring this up to you, camera number 2, just so you can get all the details. So there we go. There's that camo swoosh I was telling you about, with the different coloured cords in sort of the dark minky colour, I think it is, and the navy. Then you've got the grey into that yellow around the back. Oh, it's super nice. Just loads of detail. Look at that, that's really nice with the yellow, the golden colour into that purple, lilac, and then the leather on the toe box. And you can see this is one that's slightly creased. And then underneath there, if you can see the detail there on the tongue and those laces. They're just really nice. I mean, that's a solid sneaker, real nice. Well, we've got, let's go put that back in there and zip it up. And the actual flappy bit as well is like half canvas, so the blue's canvas, and then you've got the black cord on the other side, and it's sort of the inverse on the other sneaker. So I'm just bringing that up so you can see it. There you go. I'll take this to you. There we go. And on sneaker cam. And this one actually says, so on the back it said MC, and on the stud on this one you've got TX. Nothing obviously different on the inside. Let's take that shoe tree out. And all throughout the inside you've got that sort of checked pattern that's on the tongue as well. Just real nice. And I've actually just remembered that I forgot to do something. So these actually are, what are they? I got too excited. So these are an Air Force One low Cactus Jack, multicoloured, muted bronze. They are a US 7, a men's UK 6, and they are a European 40. They're a women's 8.5 UK 6. There we go. And I don't know why, but in centimetres, they're slightly bigger for women than they are men. They're 25.5. There we go. Now, there's also alternate laces in the lace bag here, little Nike lace bag. You have white. Is that white? Well, it's like that. It's the same colour as the midsole, actually. I don't know if you can pick this up, Mr. B. So that colour is the same sort of colour as the midsole. It's a sort of off-white colour. And then you've got navy blue. But I really like what's in there, and I think that's probably what I'd stick with. So that's a pretty solid sneaker. I mean, as I said, that flap, I think it's got to come off. I'm just going to look a right idiot if I walk around with that on.
I quite like it.
That's very high pitched.
I quite like it.
Do you?
Yeah.
You quite like it?
Yeah.
Do you kind of wish you got a pair of these?
Yeah.
They're nice, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
They are really nice. You know, part of me was like, am I going to want to keep them? Am I going to want to resell them? I don't really like reselling stuff. But you know, they're selling for a fair bit, so it's kind of tempting. But I think...
Don't do it!
I'm keeping them. Yeah, they're nice. I think we might have to do the dog test on these. Huxley, do you like these? Do you like these? What do we think? I don't think he's fussed by them, to be honest. But yeah, lots of detail on these. One thing I actually didn't show you as well. Sorry, getting a bit carried away. You probably can't see this with the flap on. I don't want to take it off because it's going to take me a bit of time to unlace. But underneath here, you've got that sort of minky colour and a suede, which is the same colour as the laces. For me, out of all the Travis Scotts, I think this may be the best pair. Like, I don't really like the Jordan lows. The Jordan highs I do like. Mr. B is like doing a horror face behind sneaker cam. If only I could flick it around to show you his face. But yeah, I'm not a fan of the Jordan lows. I just don't like a Jordan low, in all honesty. The Jordan ones I did like, but every time I see them on somebody, I'm like, I don't like them as much as I thought I would. And the others, I just didn't even bother to go in for. So for me, personally, and I'm probably like controversial opinion, this is probably my favourite out of all of them. But I do kind of feel that it's now time to have a little bit of break from the Travis Scott collabs. Look at that, it's nice, it's nice. It's a verdict, like them, gonna keep them, not gonna resell them. Quite looking forward to wearing them actually. Mr. B, thumbs up, getting a big old thumbs up from you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, super strong pickup, really happy with these, looking forward to wearing them. So we'll get some pictures of these up on the old gram soon. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it the old thumbs up. And if you're new to Pint of Stuff, please hit the old subscribe. We are getting back into the swing of things of getting videos out. Every Sunday we do a live stream, which is us talking about what sneakers we've worn, what we've seen in the news, what we've seen on Instagram. So come along and join the old live stream, which is at 8 PM in the UK, which is about 12 o'clock on the West Coast and 3 o'clock on the East Coast. It's a bit of fun, come and join. And that's it from me. But as always, leave your comments below. Let us know if you like these, whether you picked them up, what's your favourite from the Travis Scott Nike collabs. And yeah, that's it. I'm out of here. I think the dog wants his supper. I can't wait because he'll get excited. But yeah, I want mine too. I want mine. Right, I'm out of here. Bye.